elearningspread.com, your guide to the world of e-learning.
Hi guys, this is Christoph from elearningspread.com, and today something interesting. This week Articulate released update to Storyline 360, and the update introduces a feature that everyone has been waiting for, a continuous background audio feature. Yes, it's finally here. This was one of the main feature requests for Articulate Storyline, and as of April 2023, it is now at our disposal. The feature even allows you to set a playlist, and it has several other useful options. And yeah, let's see how it works in practice. All right. So I will now create a list with music and try out the new option. I will play it in the background of a sample course. All right, so let's get to work.
elearningspread.com, your guide to the world of e-learning.